Okay, retail people. Yes, I'm going to have to look off my notes because there's a lot of information on here. You might want to get something to write with so that you can take down a few notes as we go through this, or of course, you can just watch it again. But Tuesday is your CPR quiz, and then on Wednesday, you're going to be in your first hour for the whole day. So, um, you're taking a test, I guess. So you're going to be in first hour, and we're on that half day schedule. So it starts at 12:02 through 2:37, and that's on Wednesday. Go to your first hour. On Friday, we will be doing some of the work that I'm going to be mentioning in here. I really am going to try to use you guys for like my guinea pigs so that I can practice with the breakout rooms and whatnot in Schoology for conferences. However, I did purchase a program over the summer and it's called Business U. So it's business and then just a u.com. I sent everyone an email, and in the email, it says you're going to need this information in all caps as the message. And that will tell you the breakdown of this week coming up. It has the Google Meet link in it. And then also it gives you the website that you're going to need for Business U, the login, and the password. When you get in there, it'll give you information that has been assigned to you. And you don't have to go through and do every single thing for the whole semester, but you're going to want to do the things that I'm mentioning to you. I think it stops at a certain point. Um, all right, so the very first thing is you have a pretest. Um, I'm setting it up so that the pretest is due on Monday, September the 28th. I know that sounds like a long time, but then when I thought about it, Tuesday is tied up with the quiz, Wednesday is tied up with the testing. That gives you Thursday, and then Friday we're back in class working again. So I set it for a longer period of time. So your pretest will be due on Monday, the 28th. Once you click on the test, you only have 24 hours to complete it. So it is a pretest. Just keep that in mind as you're going through it. There's 90 questions, and it's all multiple choice. After you take your pretest, the next thing in line and it'll put it in order for you, but the next thing is a video, and it's on the functions of management. So you're going to want to take a look at that. And then you have some reading to do. The book for management is online, and when you're in there, as you're clicking through, there's arrows to the right. So the first arrow is for the pretest, the next arrow will be for the video, and then the next arrow will take you to the reading. And it's on managements and functions. The next arrow, once you click over, will take you to the gray zone. The gray zone is a short assignment that you need to do. You're going to read the scenario, and then because I'm not quite familiar with either system just yet, you're going to actually use either a Google Doc or a Word document, and you're going to type your answer out on this document and save your work. So it will call for 200 words or more as you're writing your response. You're going to upload your response into Schoology, which is under Module 3, and you're called the gray zone. And then you're also going to type it or copy and paste it directly into Business U. And you'll see what I'm talking about. It's kind of like a discussion question. So the scenario is there, and then you just need to type your answer underneath. Well, rather than doing that, you're going to type it out onto a Google Doc or a Microsoft document, save your work, and then upload it to Schoology, copy and paste it, and then put it back into Business U. That way there I can see what it looks like on both sides. That is also due on Monday. And then also on Monday, there's another short test or a quiz, and it's like, I think, 10 questions about management. Okay, so coming up, you have the pretest, you have the gray zone, and you have another test, and all three of those things are due next Monday, the 28th. All right. Additionally, when you guys are in breakout rooms, because once you check in for attendance in the Google Meet, I'm going to take you over to Schoology and put you in a conference room so that you guys can talk about the hideaway. So when we go back to school face to face, Ms. Badalamenti will be working with you. Now, we do need to have money to purchase new clothing items and things like that, and to keep the store running, obviously. I'm thinking like Titan Pride shirts, or maybe I know that the class of 21 is selling senior wear, but maybe you might want to start thinking about ideas and things that you would like to sell. Now, I am the class sponsor. So one of the things that we're doing is we found a lady that is doing everything remotely. And she has put together the website, and people just type in their name and then they click to pay on PayPal, and the shirts and whatnot can be delivered. So I'm not really sure of all the logistics of that, but I know that a lot of these companies are switching over to be more remote. Um, and that's something that we're going to need, because obviously, even though we're going to be selling shirts or clothing or whatever you guys decide, they're not going to be able to come into the store and pick it up. So we want to be able to maybe do a group order on Titanware, something like that, and then have them come to the school in the front in the horseshoe and pick it up, kind of like they did for Chromebook distribution. Or maybe you guys can deliver them in packages onto their porches. I really haven't figured all that out yet. That's up to you guys to figure out. So one of the things that I do want you guys to talk about Friday when you're in class, I'll have you in your breakout, is I want you to determine what we should sell to try to get some money into the hideaway, and how the logistics of it would work. In addition to that, October 5th, we're going to start selling pizza kits. The pizza kits are going to be completely virtual, so you don't have to touch money, you don't have to do anything, not even an order form. I'll give you the link, everything is done online. You just have to send it out and get people to buy, and their pizzas will be shipped directly to their house, and then the hideaway will get that money. Okay, so other than that, I guess that's all. I just wanted to give you a special video because I feel like you sit in the marketing class and have to listen to marketing all over again, and then just in the last couple minutes you get pulled to the side, and I don't want that to happen. All right, so I will see you guys in class on Tuesday.